fully understand what vlogging is. Hello, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you? Hey, can I get a tall Americano with cream, please?
Can I do a grande iced coffee, please?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh, you're not ready. Okay. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going shopping for college. If you guys don't know, I am a second year.
My address is I'm home between the hours of X and X. I sleep between the hours of Y and Y.
So please come stop me.
Okay. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I and my mom, we are going shopping for college because I am a second year at the University of Virginia. If you don't know, my last video actually was on, what was my last video on? Dorm Essentials. So if you're an incoming freshman or first year, whatever you like to be called, check that out. I am basically going to be vlogging us going shopping today. We are currently at the outlets shopping for clothes, and then we're going to be heading down to IKEA after we're done here. Maybe hit up Nordstrom Rack, hitting all the spots today. Our number one goal is to get my dresser from IKEA. That's like number one, has to be done. And then anything else will just be icing. So hopefully we'll get our clothes shopping done. We'll see. Subscribe.
No.
Okay.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around.
Right there, get that check.
Oh yeah.
Parents, my faves.
It's not berets.
Are you joking?
I don't know. All right, everyone, we finished up at the outlets. I would say it was very mildly successful. I found a couple things. We are now headed to the cheese shop, which is our all-time favorite Williamsburg stop, before we head to IKEA to pick up all the things I need for college.
Oh my god, how did this? Maybe they just left that in space. Holy cow. That was like a moment, an intervention.
And then he knew we needed to shop. All right, everyone, we have secured the bag. We're eating on the go, but not vlogging on the go because we are safe vloggers.
Around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded.
All right, we got the goods. Got all of our furniture and all the stuff.
Like, just get to get yourself in there.
We are officially completed here at IKEA. Ready to go to Nordstrom Rack, ready for a nice coffee. I'm ready to go home.
Yeah. Get in there and put that down.
It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.
We've loaded all of the furniture into the car, thank God. Still some stuff to put in the back, but we managed to get the whole dresser. Came in 3 parts, and then there's a mirror right on top there that's leaning against the slid down seats, so thankfully it all fit. So I just got home from going to the outlets and going to IKEA. It was super fun. I didn't get a ton of clips, I'm sorry. It was crazy busy in there and we were like on a mission. We were trying to go to Nordstrom Rack too, and that just did not end up happening because oh my gosh, it was so crazy busy and it would have taken way too long to get home. Really just the clothing, because I'm actually doing an apartment decor haul, probably filming it either tomorrow or the next day. So that's gonna be up super soon and I don't wanna spoil that because obviously the IKEA stuff is gonna be a part of that, but I'm gonna show you the quick little things that I got. So I actually didn't find a lot of clothes at the outlets. I'm surprised because usually I do, but First thing I got are these Adidas. I'm really obsessed with them. They're kind of like this tone on tone kind of deal. Nothing like crazy, but I know I'll wear them to class. I had these ones last year, which are so disgusting now, but just kind of something athletic, but not something I'd run in. These are great, and I think they kind of actually look like New Balances. They kind of give that vibe. So from Francesca's, which is the only place that I got any actual clothing, got these two tops. This one was the one that I actually really wanted. It's this little black top with these flouncy sleeves, and it's a little wrinkled right now, and then it has this little cute tie in the front, and I just think it'll look cute with jeans to wear to class if I'm trying to like dress up a little bit, or I could wear it with a skirt. I don't know, I think it's just a really versatile piece. And then this, it was a buy one get everything else 50% off. This was a good deal, and I needed a black plain top anyways, so this one is just a short sleeve top, and it has this kind of texture here on the sides, and it has this fraying up top. I think it kind of looks a little like Free People, but it's really cute, and I know I'll wear it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little shopping vlog, and I hope that it was helpful for any of you going off to college soon. If you guys like apartment college videos, definitely subscribe, because I'm actually going to be doing my apartment haul, like I said, next week, and I'm so excited for that video because I got a ton of great deals that I feel like not a lot of people talk about because college is so expensive. So I really want to share those with you guys, show you guys what I got to decorate my apartment. But with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.